Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. My apologies for the last announcements and everything and the grades. I just want to let you know my son got sick this weekend. We had to take him to the hospital, and it's been a couple rough days. So I'm just catching up with everything. I just finished your grades. I'll have everything ready to go, and we'll get everything settled. But again, my apologies. Um, we'll get it moving. But yeah, let me finish up with today. So you have your discussion assignments due tonight, your reply posts, and also your project assignments due on Friday. On Sunday. I sent your grades off today, so if you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, that works pretty well. But yeah, just finish off some editing techniques. I'm gonna go there. So you can still finish some really good editing with Premiere Pro, and it's important to take that time-based piece. We're going to do a lot more editing down, and we're going to review these aspects, you really can get down to like editing segments, and you can do this in two different methods. You can either do this in collage cuts or long-lasting clips. Collage cuts are great. They're used for creating dynamic reels that are quick, fast, a lot of illustration. You don't really have to do if there's not many moving parts or anything. You can do a lot with this. And sometimes clips can be no longer than 5 seconds. A lot of times with some of these things, and some can even go as fast as like maybe 2 or 3 seconds. I've seen some at like half a second, in a second. I think that's too small. I really can't find anything with it. Also, it doesn't allow me to get detail to see what's really going on with it, so that's a problem in on itself. So I think collage cuts work great if you have a lot of good illustrations. Just don't make them too short, or else you really can't read it. This technique does a great job. It showcases all their clips in a quick fashion, allows the client or the company reviewing the work to be reminded of each piece they worked and looked at between, and showed a different segment of this piece and work again later on the demo reel. That's a really big important aspect about that. Now, unlike collage cuts, where they work great with like illustrations, long-lasting clips can work very well too. They're nice, especially when artists want to showcase the mood and the emotion and the pieces around it. These work great with like animation, modeling, really in-depth like motion graphics and effects. This is a good topic to go at, and you can do longer clips, like 10 to 15 second clips that really showcase the model or showcase. This is where like a lot of times where like people do like a zoom out the in where they can show place detailed specific areas. Another place where you can see it where like they do full 360 viewpoints of a model. That's another aspect that really does really great. And longer cuts do good. Detailed illustration, animations, and really full 3D model pieces. Like if you have a lot of detail and you have a lot of things that you want to show in this one piece, longer lasting clips works great. Now, you can also combine both techniques. You don't have to just settle on one or the other. You can use certain elements for some and certain elements for the other. Vari profiles work with a lot of different clips and styles. An animator may want to choose to showcase some of their illustration work and capabilities, and they use quick cuts that way. But if a graphic designer wants to use elongated clips to showcase the demo reel process, then it works well. If it makes sense for your demo reel, use it. That's all that matters really in the aspect. But other than that, that's pretty much it. But yeah, sorry about the grades. Really apologize about that. My son went in the hospital. It really killed me. It's been a long week. Anyway, I should have everything updated. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, thanks for being awesome. I appreciate y'all being patient with me, and keep moving. So thanks, guys. Enjoy, and send me a message if you need me. All right. Thanks. Appreciate it.